You'd be surprised what a new coat of paint will do. It's a fresh start. It'll make you fall in love with your home all over again. We've been in business for over 40 years. We definitely know paint. Chuck happens to be my father. He started in 1979. When we moved here, he started the painting business, and I've been here ever since, and I'm loving every minute of it. Chuck's painting means more to me than just a job. I grew up in the business and take a lot of pride in what we do. We do residential communities, we do townhouse communities, condos, business parks, and everything in between. No project too big or too small.
And if anyone is glad that Chuck's painting is up to the task, it's Beth and her mother, Christine, who have lived together in their beautiful Davie home for over 20 years.
I'm a native Floridian. I was born in Miami, Florida. My mom and I are like best of friends. We go on trips together. We love to do crossword puzzles. We like to go on the boat, on the water. Then we have 2 Yorkies. Everywhere we go, it's got to be pet friendly. I'm looking very forward to having the house painted. It's needed it for a while.
This particular project is about a 5,000 square foot house. It needs a little bit of TLC, and we're really looking forward to helping them revitalize the property.
We're on 2 acres. We're on water. I love the nature that's around the house, but with the nature also comes a lot of work.
Living in South Florida, owning a home in South Florida, it's constant upkeep, constant maintenance.
And it is a big house. It is overwhelming at times. And I don't know the first thing about paint, but Alex was extremely professional and the most knowledgeable. I'm very excited to see the end product.
When we initially come on site, we identify most of the problem areas and then come up with a game plan as to how to attack it and rectify the situation. So the first process that we do when we show up on the property is all this needs to be pressure cleaned. The darker portions here have to be pressure cleaned off. We also use a 50-50 mix of bleach and water. Now, obviously in the back of the house, it's more pronounced because this is where a lot more of the algae and mildew is present. The problem is that you have these eyesores where Mother Nature takes over. It actually eats the paint over time. All this area will again be bleached, it will be pressure cleaned and removed, and then once that process is done, we put what's called a sealer. What that does, it acts as a primer, it bonds the paint to the substrate. Now this location is a little different than others. The moisture that sits under the pavers has obviously wreaked havoc on the bottom here. All the paint has bubbled and peeled off. Not a problem, we've seen this many times before. It's gonna be scraped, it's gonna be sealed, and ultimately will never happen again. Here's a classic example of what no homeowner wants to see. The fascia boards are rotted due to the mold and mildew. The gutter will have to be removed. All the rotten wood's gonna have to come out. We're gonna have to replace it, paint it, make it look new again. Here we have some of the same situation. All this wood is gonna have to be ripped out and replaced. All the walls are gonna have to be pressure cleaned, sealed, and painted. It's a beautiful home. It's too bad that it's in the condition it's in. Luckily, we specialize in this type of work and we'll bring the home back to its original condition. A quality paint job is gonna preserve your house. It's gonna make it last longer, look more beautiful. Once this house is completed, it's gonna pop.
And just like that, this crack team of pros dons their war paint and gets to work to prep the exterior before coating every last inch with a fresh new finish.
The pressure cleaning's been done, the sealing's been done. What's happening now is they're patching some of the cracks in the house, and the final process will be to apply the paint, and then everything's finished.
I'm very excited to see some of the work outside. Long overdue. Can't believe what all they've done in just 2 days.
Beth, I just wanted to give you an idea and show you some of our progress. You remember what it looked like before with the mold and the mildew. All that's been removed. The house has been prepped, it's been painted, and this is our final result.
It's absolutely amazing, Alex. It's night and day. It looks brand new. It looks beautiful.
That's
absolutely beautiful.
Exactly what I wanted to hear.
Unbelievable. Amazing. Really can't. I can't believe it. Even over there, you really can't believe what a difference it made. It feels like a brand new house. It really, really great.
Good, I'm glad you like it. You're very welcome.
I cannot believe the difference in the house. It looks awesome. It looks amazing. It looks like night and day. It looks like a brand new house. Even better than I anticipated it. Very, very happy.
Beth's happy, I'm happy. We got the job done. The house looks phenomenal, and we couldn't ask for a better result.
Another job done, and the crew is off to paint the town. Whatever your needs, Chuck's Painting has you covered. To learn more, visit their website or go to www.designingspaces.tv.